So before we get into the Intense 5, Ash and I have a public service announcement. Women are not objects. If we say no, we mean no.
Not because we dress a certain way means we are asking to be harassed or even attacked.
Yeah, and if we don't like you, accept it. Let it go and just move on.
Too many women are being hurt, abducted, or killed. Violence against women has to stop.
Yes, it was a rough week, but here's the Intense 5. 4 bread and 2 bags of flour for lockdown weekends? Why? We are such a reactive country, and it's not forever.
Dexter, 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 why won't you behave? Definitely the ultimate entertainer, and we'll just leave it at that.
Yeah. Entertainers are becoming very vocal and speaking out against violence against women. Love the support.
Queenie, go on, do your thing. Congrats on the marriage, and we wish you and the June Plum all the best.
And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, the mechanic has confessed to the murder of Khandice Jackson. Such a sad story. Hopefully proper justice will be served. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to always follow our IG page at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment.